Have you been tired that your iPad just looks like a big iPhone? Well, that's going to change with this new iPadOS 26 update. Now it's going to look more like a Mac. Let's check out this top 5 features in iPadOS 26. With iPadOS 26, we get the liquid glass throughout the entire OS. You can see that the style of the icons have also been changed slightly. They look more frosted glass-like, especially the clock widget. You have some change in the icons like camera, photos. We can also edit our icons by long pressing the home screen, going into edit, customize, and you can select the clear icons. Depending your taste, you can even select tinted and choose whichever color you want. So Apple has increased the customization in this version even further. Let us keep as default for now. A huge upgrade in this iPad OS version is with multitasking. If you go into settings and you go down to multitasking and gestures, you get three options: full screen apps, windowed apps, and stage manager. Full screen app is similar to how iPad used to usually function, but if you click on windowed apps, you get this black curve sort of a symbol in the bottom right corner. With this, you get the option of resizing your window similar to how you can do it on Mac devices. You also get the traffic light system, again similar to how MacBook is. And with this green button, you can even resize the window. That makes it more useful and very much similar to how Mac devices are. You also get the menu bar at the top with settings, file, edit, view, similar to how it is on Apple laptop devices. Another option is Stage Manager, and that is helping again with multitasking, where you can group different apps together and then you can use them simultaneously. So with this version of iPadOS, Apple is increasing the functionality when it comes to multitasking with iPads. Also, in this version of iPad, you get a new phone app, which is similar to the phone app on iPhones. Here you get all the history of the calls that you have done with your phone. But a new added feature is in the settings of the phone app. So if you go into settings, apps, and then you go down to phone, here you get the option of filtering certain calls. So if you want to filter unknown callers, you can even toggle this setting. And now Apple has also introduced screening of unknown callers. That will make your iPad ask the reason for calling automatically without you having to pick up the call. That is very good. Two new apps have also been introduced in this version. First up is the Preview app, which is a document scanning app and document viewer app. Here they have this nice Easter egg as well, where this liquid glass has been implemented in the app as well. It's a new app to just view your PDF documents, scan new documents, and share as well. Also get a new app, which is the Journal app. This was already available in the iPhone, but now it is also available in the iPad. This is the place where you can put down your daily habits, daily thoughts, and this will sync throughout all your Apple devices. That's it for this video. Hope you guys learned something new. Consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.